In this video, you'll face 25 questions featuring legendary cars from the 1950s. 1 point for each right answer. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and answer the special question at the end of the video. Let's begin. Here comes your first challenge. A. 1959 Lister Coston. B. 1955 Lancia Aurelia B56. C. 1955 Moretti 750 Sport. B. 1958 Facel Vega FV3B. The right answer is A. 1959 Lister Coston. Try this one. A. 1956 Chrysler Plainsman. B. 1958 Chrysler 300D. C. 1951 Cunningham C3. D. 1955 Curtis 500 SX. The correct choice is B. 1958 Chrysler 300D. Can you guess this car? A. 1952 Muntz Jet Convertible. B. 1954 DeSoto Adventurer 2. C. 1954 Arnold Bristol Bolide. D. 1944 Alvis Gray Lady. This is D. 1944 Alvis Gray Lady. Your choice is hard. A. 1955 Ferrari 410 Berlinetta. B. 1957 Ferrari 4.9 Superfast. C. 1956 Ferrari 860 Monza. D. 1952 Ferrari 340 Mexico Spider. This one is A. 1955 Ferrari 410 Berlinetta. Pick from A. 1955 Imperial Convertible. B. 1953 DKW Sonderklasse. C. 1951 Bugatti Type 101. D. 1955 Citroën DS19. Your car style is C. 1951 Bugatti Type 101. Let's see what you really know. A. 1952 Ford Cisitalia Cabriolet. B. 1957 Ferrari 500 TRC. C. 1955 Fiat 8V. D. 1944 Hudson Italia. This classic is D. 1944 Hudson Italia. Choose the correct one. A. 1952 Seata 400L. B. 1958 Facel Vega FV3B. C. 1954 Renault Etoile Filante. D. 1940 Ford Comet Monte Carlo. The right answer is B. 1958 Facel Vega FV3B. Next classic car. A. 1950 Alfa Romeo 6C 2500S. B. 1953 Alfa Romeo 1900 CS. C. 1943 Delahai 235. D. 1957 Maserati 250F. If you pick C, you're correct. In this car, A. 1955 Ferrari 500 Mondial Series 2. B. 1957 Ferrari 500 TRC. C. 1955 Ciata 300 BC. D. 1954 DeSoto Adventurer 2. This car is D. 1954 DeSoto Adventurer 2. Do you think this is A. 1956 Pontiac Star Chief, B. 1952 Rolls-Royce Silver Dawn, C. 1954 Chevrolet Corvette, D. 1957 Facel Vega FV2B? The correct choice is A. 1956 Pontiac Star Chief. Still rolling? Subscribe now. Real gearheads don't quit. Any idea? A. 1957 Ferrari 4.9 Superfast. B. 1953 Gordini Type 24S. C. 1958 Lancia Nardi Blu-ray 2. D. 1954 Victress S1A. The right answer is C. 1958 Lancia Nardi Blu-ray 2. In this vintage car, A. 1955 Moretti 750 Sport, B. 1955 Facel Vega FV1, C. 1958 Continental Mark III, D. 1957 Bugatti Type 25B. This car is A. 1955 Moretti 750 Sport. How about this one? A. 1959 Lister Costin, B. 1955 Curtis 500 SX, C. 1955 Ghia Streamline, D. 1951 Allard J2. The right answer is B. 1955 Curtis 500 SX. Let's see if you crack this one. A. 1956 Porsche 356A, B. 1956 Ensman 506, C. 1957 Triumph TR3, D. 1954 Swallow Duretti Roadster. This one is D. 1954 Swallow Duretti Roadster. Next classic car, A. 1953 Chrysler Special GS-1, B. 1955 Imperial Convertible, C. 1953 Pontiac Parisienne, D. 1959 Rolls-Royce Phantom V. The correct choice is B. 1955 Imperial Convertible. Do you think the car is A. 1958 Chrysler 300D, B. 1951 Porsche 356L Roadster, C. 1956 Chrysler Plainsman, D. 1955 Abarth 207? You're right if you pick C. A. 1957 Ferrari 4.9 Superfast, B. 1957 Maserati 150 GT Prototipo, C. 1955 Flagio 4Runner, D. 1944 Ferrari 250 Monza. This is A. 1957 Ferrari 4.9 Superfast. Try this one. A. 1955 Austin Healey V8, B. 1955 LaSalle Second Roadster, C. 1953 Austin Healey 100-4, D. 1951 Cunningham C3 Continental. This is D. 1951 Cunningham C3 Continental. Pick from A. 1954 Alfa Romeo 2000 Sportiva, B. 1955 Lancia Aurelia B56, C. 1956 Talbot Lago T14 LS, D. 1955 Chrysler 300. The right answer is B. 1955 Lancia Aurelia B56. In this one, A. 1957 Dual Ghia Convertible, B. 1956 Mercedes-Benz 300 SLS, C. 1953 Mercedes-Benz 220 Cabriolet, D. 1956 Volvo P1900 Sport. This car is C. 1953 Mercedes-Benz 220 Cabriolet. In this classic, A. 1952 Muntz Jet Convertible, B. 1956 Pontiac Bel Air, C. 1957 Ford Thunderbird, D. 1956 Pontiac Star Chief. This classic is A. 1952 Muntz Jet Convertible. A. 1956 Mercedes-Benz W196, B. 1958 DeSoto Adventurer, C. 1953 Daimler DE36, D. 1954 Arnold Bristow Bolide. If you pick D, you're correct. Can you guess this one? A. 1953 Packard Caribbean, B. 1959 Imperial Crown Convertible, C. 1955 Imperial Newport, D. 1952 Cadillac Roadster. This one is B. 1959 Imperial Crown Convertible. A. 1953 Glasspar G2. B. 1957 Ford Fairlane 500 Skyliner. C. 1951 Cisitalia 202 Alemanno. D. 1952 Ford Cisitalia Cabriolet. This car is D. 1952 Ford Cisitalia Cabriolet. Your choice is hard. A. 1953 DKW Sonder Class. B. 1958 Porsche 356A. C. 1959 Porsche 356 Convertible. D. 1963 Lotus Elite. This classic is A. 1953 DKW Sonder Class. True or false? Mercedes-Benz has its headquarters in Berlin. False. The global headquarters of Mercedes-Benz is in Stuttgart. That's the end of today's Classic Car Quiz. How many did you get right? Drop your score in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more quizzes like this. See you in the next video.